Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Bybit application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your smartphone and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After you have logged into your account, if you wish to change your language, simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and now from the profile page, tap on the settings button at the top right. You will now end up within the settings page, from which you can easily find the language option underneath the universal settings menu. Go ahead and tap on language, and now you can choose from various different languages that are available for the Bybit application. Go ahead and tap on any language that you wish to switch to, and as soon as you tap on this language, the language within the application will immediately be changed. If you wish to change your language back anytime, you can come back within this menu and switch it once again with just a touch of a button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language on the Bybit application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.